In this video, we will see that how to change the Apache Maven cache location for Intellij. At first, what we will do is go to our desired location that we want to keep our Apache Maven cache files, and inside of that location, what we will do is create a folder named Maven or whatever you like. As you can see that I have already created a folder named Maven. Now inside of this Maven, what we will do is download the Apache Maven latest version. In order to download the Apache Maven latest version, what we will do is simply open a browser and go to Google and type Maven, and then we will go to the download page of their official website from here and download the latest version that they have provided. And right now it is 3.9.5. I have already installed the version 3.9.4. It doesn't matter which version you are using right now, but it is preferred to use the latest version. Okay, now after downloading the zip file of the latest version of Apache Maven 3.9.5, download it into that particular folder and extract into that folder. Extract that zip file into that folder. After that, inside of this Apache Maven, we will find these contents. Now what we will need to do is set up our environment variable for this Apache Maven particular version. Now we will go to the search bar and type environment variables and go to the environment variables, and inside of these environment variables we will create a user variable named Maven home. As you can see that I have already created a Maven home variable. So in order to create a Maven, in order to create a new variable, we will just simply press the new button over here and type the variable name like this, Maven underscore home. All will be in the capital letters, and inside of the variable value, what we will do is just simply copy and paste the Apache Maven path over here. Just like this. Go to inside of the Apache Maven folder first, like this, and then copy the path from here and then just paste it right over here, just like this. Let me just edit this and you will see that it will look something like this. For your case, the path will be different. Okay, now what after creating the new variable, we will just press OK and also OK from here, also here. Now after creating the environment variable for our Apache Maven, we will need to make sure that Apache Maven is now available also in our CMD. Now here we will just type mvn version. As you can see, our Maven has been now successfully installed. Now we will also need to change the local repository files for storing the cache files of our Apache Maven. Now in order to do so, we will go to the conf folder, and here we will need to open the settings file. Now after opening the settings file, what we will do now is, at first we will go back to our Maven or your particular folder, and then inside of this folder we will create a new folder named .m2, and inside of this folder we will create another folder named repository. Now go to this repository and repository folder and just copy this path like this, and now open the settings file and find this particular line, local repository, which has been commented out. You will find it like this. Just copy this particular line. The path won't be given, don't worry. Just copy this particular line and paste it outside of this, outside of the commented outlines, and paste it over here. Now inside of this local repository, we will just paste that path that we have just copied earlier, like this, and just save these settings. setting file. Now we are all done, we are good to go. Now all our cache files will be saved into this location that we have created for ourselves. Now in order to test it, what we will do is we will open the Intellij IDE. uh, I am using the Intellij IDE in Ultimate version. It doesn't matter which version you are using. Now you can either create a new project or open an existing project. It doesn't matter. What matters is that we need to set up our settings. Now I have already opened an existing project. You can either create a new project or open an existing project. Okay, now what we'll do is go to the file settings, build execution, build tools in Maven. uh, Here we will just change the Maven home path from bundle to our particular location that we have just set for our Maven home, like this, and uncheck this all if these are checked, and we are good to go. Also we will also change the settings for new projects. From here, go to file, new project, setup, settings for new projects, and also change this Maven home path to the location that we have set earlier, and we are good to go. Now if we create a new project again, we will see that our Maven home path has been changed to that particular location that we have set. That's all for the video. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching.